everybody. So my essential question that I chose to answer this week was my second one, and it is, what is the easiest way for me to retain what I learn? That has always been something really hard for me. Like, you can put all the information in my head and it just goes dumping out the other side. Struggled a lot with it when I was a kid, and sometimes still now as an adult, especially that because I'm taking so many classes right now. So I had some really good stuff from a couple people on my post, so I'm gonna read those. McKinley said that just if you teach the basics and just expounding on those basics a little at a time. It was compared to a tree. It was from the enrichment reading, and I need to go back and reread that again. It says, although a tree may not grow new branches every year, the ones it already has will grow longer. So that was really cool. And then Harris gave me a list or a link that had 6 tips for retaining information. And then he also gave me his 3 favorite points, which were teaching others, writing things down, and focusing on one piece of information at a time. And something that I've noticed is that teaching others is a huge, huge help. I actually experienced it today when I had my 6th graders were doing science and they were having to calculate density. And so I was having to remember how to do long division. And it was not going super well. So I had to figure that out. And then once I started teaching it to them, it all started coming back to me. So that was really cool that I had that experience today. So I think that was really good. And then also writing things down. Yeah. Taking notes and writing things over and over again. So, when you were a kid and you did spelling, you wrote your spelling 10 times, your words 10 times each, and it helps you remember how to spell it. So those were really good tips. Thank you guys that commented and gave me suggestions. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to start putting them to good use so I can retain things in my brain.